So just a Saturday thought. If you haven't watched the mentor video, it might not make sense, but then again, it might make sense. Talking about 4 tools, and that's my truck going off, but let me see if I can't share something with you. Take areas of your life, okay? Work, relationships, school, your job, wanting to make money, your dreams. Do you have peace, joy, or righteousness? What's the level of peace, joy, and righteousness in each of those areas? And then recalibrate, which means line up your thoughts with what God believes about you, what God says about you. It's not what He believes about you, it's who you are in Christ. Like, I'm not going to let that sound disturb me, because I got the mind of Christ. I can talk and not be disturbed. Just a thought for you today. You know I love you. I'll talk to you in the next video.